DJI might be gearing up to start 2025 with a groundbreaking addition to its drone lineup, the DJI Flip. While no official announcements have been made, leaks and FCC filings hint that this compact drone could launch in early 2025. Recently released documents from the United States Federal Communications Commission provide a sneak peek into what we might expect from this exciting new model. The DJI Flip stands out thanks to its compact design and built-in propeller guards, which not only enhance safety, but also make it ideal for beginners and indoor flying. Propeller guards aren't just about protection, they allow for smoother flights in tight spaces, an excellent feature for those navigating urban environments or enclosed areas. What's more, drones with such features often support first-person view mode, giving users an immersive flying experience. While it remains unclear whether the Flip will include FPV functionality, early sightings show it paired with a standard controller, suggesting it might cater more to traditional flying styles. One of the most notable features revealed in the FCC filing is the Flip's impressive 3,110 mAh battery, a significant upgrade over the DJI Neo. This enhancement could extend flight times beyond 20 minutes, rivaling even the DJI Avatar 2, which boasts a flight duration of around 23 minutes. Extended airtime makes the Flip a valuable tool for anyone, from casual flyers to aspiring aerial photographers seeking longer, more reliable sessions. Though the exact camera specifications for the DJI Flip remain a mystery, its positioning above the Neo and DJI's lineup suggests potential improvements. These could include better stabilization, higher resolution, or features borrowed from the professional-grade Avatar 2, such as advanced HDR capabilities or a wider field of view. If these speculations hold true, the Flip could become a middle ground between the beginner-friendly Neo and the premium Avatar 2. While the Avatar 2 targets FPV enthusiasts with advanced features like 4K HDR video and ultra-wide-angle views, the Flip appears to address a different audience. Its rumored simplicity, combined with safety features like propeller guards and improved stabilization, makes it particularly appealing to newcomers and intermediate users. For those transitioning from entry-level drones like the Neo, the Flip offers an enticing upgrade with better performance and longer flight times. The Flip's compact and portable design could also make it a go-to option for outdoor adventurers, vloggers, and hobbyists. It promises versatility, catering to those who prioritize ease of use and functionality over high-speed maneuvers or acrobatics. This accessibility, paired with user-friendly features, could position the Flip as an ideal choice for travelers and content creators alike. Safety is another area where the Flip shines. Propeller guards are an underrated feature, offering peace of mind to users flying in crowded or risky environments. By incorporating such thoughtful design elements, DJI continues to make drones more approachable, even for those hesitant to invest in high-tech gadgets. The final piece of the puzzle will be the Flip's price point. If DJI can strike the right balance, offering a mid-range option with significant upgrades over the Neo without encroaching on the premium Avatar 2 territory, it could appeal to a wide spectrum of users. A competitive price, combined with its innovative features, would make the Flip a compelling choice for anyone seeking value without compromising performance. In summary, the DJI Flip has the potential to redefine the mid-range drone category. With its rumored compact design, improved battery capacity, and beginner-friendly features, it bridges the gap between entry-level models and advanced FPV drones. Whether you're a first-time flyer exploring new heights or an experienced pilot looking for a more portable option, the Flip could be a game-changer. As we eagerly await official announcements, one thing is clear: DJI's commitment to innovation and market adaptability continues to set it apart. Could the Flip be the perfect blend of accessibility, performance, and creativity? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.